YouTube? How y'all feeling, man? How y'all day going, bro? How y'all doing today, man? Today, we got a Desert Eagle restoration, bro. Desert Eagle 50 cat. Oh my god. Hey, y'all, this is exciting. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I appreciate everybody that clicked on this video. I appreciate everybody that clicked on this video. Hey, y'all, when I tell y'all we about to get straight into it, it's big stuff. Fool, come on now. Who wouldn't want to see a Desert Eagle get restored, bro? First of all, where was it at to even, like, who left a Desert Eagle, fool? Who left this jump? Why would they leave this jump, bro? Hey, y'all, we about to get straight into it. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe button. Let's get straight into it, y'all. Hey, I can't wait, man. I can't wait, man. Let's go, man. Make sure everything's straight, man. Oh, yeah. We good? We good? We alright? Oh, alright, cool. Cool, just making sure we good, man. Oh, damn. Okay. This look like a BB gun type, jump. How that magazine is, it look like you put a CO2 in that jump and screw it in there. Hey, y'all ever had a Desert Eagle? Hold up, let me look at y'all in your eyes, man. Y'all ever had a Desert Eagle BB gun, fool? I had one of them jumps. That jump, fool. Let me tell y'all. When I tell y'all that jump was so tough, fool. That jump was automatic and everything. That's why I said that jump looked exactly like that. Cause I had a BB gun, bruh. And when I had that jump was automatic. And it had a single shot, but I kept it on automatic, bruh. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I just had a CO2, put it in the mag, screw it in there, wop, 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 load up the BBs, boom, be back at it. That jump was sweet, but I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. That jump was sweet, man. Hey, let me know what type of BB gun if y'all ever had one, fool. Let me know, y'all. Let me know. Oh yeah, that is not no BB gun. That jump heavy as I don't know what. That jump heavy. Yeah, damn. And that jump a little rusty too. Throw that over there. What he putting that jump in the bowl? Oh, alright, we good, we good, we good. Bro, shout out to whoever this is, bro. They be knowing me. I gotta learn myself. I'm trying to see that magazine. Or it didn't come with a mag. I don't know. click that like button and that subscribe button, man. Click that button. Nah, I gotta do this. This the coolest thing by far. Like spraying the gun, man. What? Painting that jump, like that. This the coolest thing by far, yeah. This jump, and then you just hang them up, let them dry. I gotta do that one day. You know how expensive that equipment probably is. I don't know. That equipment probably like 8,000 itself. Probably more than that actually. Yes. Oh, the bulb is broken. That jump look good. The ruffling is ruined. Damn. You better be careful with that. That might slip, hit your hand. That jump vicious. Cold blue. Nah, that was hard. That was hard. My man is doing welding. He welding that motherfucker. Making sure that jump. thing right. Got that thing right. Got that thing right. Oh, okay. The grip wasn't on. My stupid ass. The grip wasn't on there. My dumb ass. Ready for the fight? Got that joint in the case in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all ready? Y'all ready who? Y'all ready? I'm one of them Jones missing. Let's go. Damn. Dang. That jump pack a punch. God dang. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's hard. That's hard. It went from that to that. God dang, look at that. Just look at that, man. Just look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Nah, she pretty. She pretty. Got her together. She is pretty. God dang. Hey, y'all, that was the end of this video. I appreciate everybody that tuned in. Make sure y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button. Hey, what y'all think about that? How y'all feel about that? Y'all like that? Y'all like that? That jump hard, I ain't gonna lie. You guys had a Desert Eagle in the collection, bro. Would y'all cop a Desert Eagle? Would y'all get one? Would you would? You wouldn't get one. I can't see you shooting one of those. You wouldn't get one of those. Boy, stop the cap, my boy. I'ma see y'all, man. It's Big Steph and I'm gone, man. I'ma see y'all. You